Mapo tofu means grandma's spicy tofu. It is one of the specialties of Chinese province of Sichuan. Today, this dish is also popular in Japan and Korea. Traditionally, tofu cubes are simmered in a very spicy and flavorful sauce. I'll show you how to prepare it. You can reduce the spiciness according to your taste. Start by cutting 150 grams of beef into small pieces. Chop them with a knife. Grate 1 piece of ginger. Keep 1 teaspoon. Chop 4 garlic cloves. Mince 1 garlic leaf. Dilute 2 teaspoons of cornstarch with 1/4 cup of water. For the tofu, I like to use medium firm tofu. You can also make this recipe with tender tofu. Cut it into cubes of 2 cm square. Roast 1 teaspoon of Sichuan peppercorn over low heat. Regularly stir. As soon as you can smell a good perfume, after about 1.5 minutes, turn off the heat. Crush them. Now blanch the tofu in a pot of boiling water with 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce to color the cubes. Put the tofu. Gently stir and leave for 1 minute. This softens the taste of the tofu. Drain. In a pan heated over high heat, put 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. When the oil is hot, put the ground beef. Stir for 2 minutes. The good smell of beef emerges. Add the chopped garlic and the grated ginger. Stir for 1 minute. Then add 1 tablespoon of chili paste and half tablespoon of miso paste. Turn on low heat. Briefly stir. And add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Stir for 3 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. Stir for 10 seconds. Then add 1 cup of water. ¼ teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, some ground pepper, the Sichuan peppercorn, and the tofu cubes. Gently stir and let simmer over medium heat for 3 minutes. The tofu will absorb all the flavors. Then put in the diluted starch in 3 steps. The first third is due to make the pieces of tofu tender. Stir for 30 seconds. Then add the second third to gradually thicken the sauce. Stir for 20 seconds. Put in the last third and stir for 20 seconds. Add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, briefly mix and turn off the heat. Sprinkle with the garlic leaf. Enjoy this delicious Mapo tofu with jasmine rice. Bon appétit! Mapo tofu has its specific and very spicy scent. The sauce that soaks the cubes of tofu is intense and very attractive. It's difficult not to refill one's plate. Don't be surprised if you have a little sweat on your forehead while eating this dish. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.